Hi, this is Mona for Heffy Doodle and I am super excited to be here with you. Today I am going to show you how I created this cute Slimline Underwater Shaker Card. I hope you keep watching this video because I have some extra tips and tricks for you. I started the card making with watercoloring to create the underwater background to the Slimline card twice. I am using various colors from the Jane Davenport watercolor pens. I just collected them into one big watercolor palette. Once the watercoloring is done, I let it air dry and I am continuing with stamping and coloring. I decided to mix and match newer and older Heffy Doodle stamp sets, which are A Little Shellfish, Oceans of Love, Silly Friends, and the You Go Gull sets. I picked the images and stamped them with my MISTI and Jack Black ink pad by Lanfan. After a quick heat set, I made a quick coloring with my Copic markers. I will always show the actually used colors on the left side so you can follow easily. I am starting with my darkest color and finish with the lightest. Once the coloring was done, I ran them through my die-cut machine with their coordinating dies. Then I added white highlights with Signo Uniball white pen. Next, I ran the watercolored background and pink raspberry cardstock with the stitched Slimline trio dies and the Slimline pull-tab dies with a yellow cardstock as well. Next, I am creating the sand with the stitched Slopey Joes border dies and made on it a quick ink blending with vintage photo distress oxide ink and antique linen distress mini ink. Next, I splattered on it with white and brown watercolor. And now it's time to add some white and blue splatters to the watercolored background as well and let them air dry. When the blue watercolored backgrounds were dry, I decided to make the second background a bit darker. I applied Blueprint Sketch Distress Oxide color with stencil blending brush over the watercoloring. After this, I stamped the sentiment from A Little Shellfish stamp set. I stamped the sentiment with watermark ink to the raspberry cardstock. Then I heat embossed with white embossing powder. Let's move on to the Slimline Shaker Card building. First, I am adhering clear designer toner shades to the back of my watercolored Slimline Windows die cut with XL tape runner by Thermoweb. Next, I am going to use the tall foam adhesive strips by scrapbook.com. I really love to use them. They are 1/8 wide and in the package you will find 160 pieces, which is a lot. Next, I am adding some anti-static powder and sequins to the windows. Then I am running through short lines with Dot Runner adhesive by Gina K Designs to the back of the background of the Slimline die cut. I am placing it on the top of the windowed one with the watercolored side face down. Now I am closing my MISTI by pushing it gently and I have a perfectly layered shaker part. Yay! This is not a new technique, I just like to make shaker cards this way and it's much more easier than it looks like. Now I am putting the other parts together, the colored images and the sentiment as well. I am adding depth with 3D adhesives. And this is my finished shaker card. I hope you have enjoyed my project for today. If yes, hit that like button, and if you are not already, subscribe to Heffy Doodle's channel. As always, you can find the used supplies below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in a comment. See you next time. Have an amazing day. Bye!